other states can move forward with a legal challenge to the nation's controversial new system for setting flood insurance rates. It is called FEMA 2.0, folks. And what that controversy is this is a, everybody, no matter where you live, you can live in the mountains of Colorado. Everybody is in a flood zone. It's always just a matter of what is the flood zone labeled. Is it an X where it's not required, or an AE? And when I say not required, I mean by the lender, right? I recommend everybody have flood insurance, especially if you're in a flood zone. It's not required by the lender. It's usually cheaper. Now, here's the thing. It went from, $300 a year if you wasn't in a flood zone that required it, lender required it, to pretty pricey. So when the FEMA 2.0 came out, they had in there that, hey, you can assume it from the current. So if Dwayne goes and buys Joe's home and Joe has a current flood insurance policy in place, I can assume that. And then any continuance of premiums works off of that lower number. If Joe doesn't have it, then I got to pay whatever the new premium is, okay? And now the way they do everything is, and this is our day and age, right, of satellites and all that kind of stuff, this new age stuff, they could shoot down the house, get the GPS, and it's all factors based on proximity to water, okay? I'm just kind of giving you the whys on what this FEMA 2.0 is. So now, for instance, take the North Shore. Or anything north of I-12, it used to be, you're good. No flood insurance, you don't have to worry about it. Anything south, well, hey, and then as you got closer to the lake, maybe the zones changed a little bit. Now, it does not matter. I mean, you can live in the middle of nowhere, and if there happens to be a stream, a river, or something that they deem in a close proximity to water that could affect your house or the structure, you fall under these new rules, and then you have to pay the higher premium. And look, we all know, especially in the Gulf South, the challenges that are out there, especially in South Louisiana, what we're dealing with, right? You throw in the homeowners insurance, you throw in the flood, mix that in with some, with rates that are elevated. Well, it makes things tough, right? And it kind of challenges that buying power, right? So now what's happening is this judge has ruled that Louisiana and 9 other states, you don't care about the other states, neither do I, right? So can move forward with the legal challenge to the system's flood insurance rates. While ruling that the lawsuit can move forward, U.S. District Judge Darrell James Papillon, see, that's how you know he's from Louisiana, and you know I am too, because everybody else would probably say Papillon. Papillon also declined a request to immediately intervene and halt the new system known as Risk Rating 2.0, aka FEMA 2.0, saying that it would do more harm than good. So basically saying he's not stepping in saying stop, got to change everything right now, or can't keep continuing. Papillon also limited the number of plaintiffs and claims that could be part of the lawsuit. Only the 10 states taking part in the suit, as well as St. Tammany, Livingston, and Washington parishes, can now be included. Listen to this. And you and I know this, but when you see a number, it's just a reality check, right? Projections released last year showed the average single-family home in Louisiana seeing an 134% increase, especially flood-prone areas. Plaquemines Parish was projected at the time when they did this study last year with the state's highest of an increase of 545%. Orleans was to see 99% increase, Jefferson 150, and St. Tammany 126% increases. So you could see these premium increases. Now, they're phased over 18% per year. That's kind of how they do it. So if Dwayne goes back, like we're talking about, and I buy Joe's house, and Joe's flood insurance was $600, well, it increases at 18% every year, right? If Joe don't have it, I'll buy it at the new one, and then the increases of that. By law, 18% is the max that they can increase it on a year-over-year basis. So, look, I'll keep you posted on this. I like it. The message is being heard. It's being discussed. And people are understanding that we got to try to do a little something down here, right? Like, I get it. Poop rolls downhill. The funnel, I've heard, right? Circle the drain, all that. But heck, man, at the same time, it can't be the same little area that everything lands on. We can't be the cesspool, so to speak, here in the Gulf South. So I like that that's being shown. We're resilient. We'll continue rocking and rolling from there and moving forward. So just wanted to kind of give you an update on that. I think that's it.